Hello students, this is Archana, your science teacher. So welcome back to our science class, and today we will going to do our lesson plan number 1, that is metals and non-metals, and lesson plan number 2, that is conductivity of metals and non-metals, from the block physical properties of metals and non-metals. Students, all types of matter are made up of elements, and elements are pure substances that contain only one type of particles. I repeat, elements are pure substances that contain only one type of particles, and there are near about 110 elements which are broadly classified as metals and non-metals. Okay. And some metals that we know are iron, gold, silver, copper and aluminium. Okay. And non-metals are oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen and carbon. So you see that there is a tray in my hand. I put something in this. It is an aluminium foil which is used in our house. And it is a gold chain, this is a copper wire, and it is a iron thing. Okay, so on the basis of some properties, now we classify them whether they are metal or non-metal. So a few common physical properties are physical state, color, luster and hardness or sonority or density. Okay, so first of all metal exist as solid at room temperature except mercury. Clear? Non-metal exist in all three states of matter. Most of non-metals like hydrogen and oxygen, they exist as gases. Clear? And on the basis of color also, most metals are white, grey or silver in color. Means if you are talking about metals, they are white, grey and silver. Common examples are iron, aluminium, mercury, silver, gold is yellow and copper is reddish brown in color as you see in my hand. Okay. And on other hand, जितने भी non metals होते हैं, they are colorless. For example, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Clear? Now we are talking about luster. Luster का मतलब होता है कि उसमें कितनी shine है. ठीक है? Most metals like aluminium, iron, copper have a shine when light falls on them. This property is known as luster. As you see, in most non-metal, they do not have luster. Okay. So on the basis of luster also, you can easily classify whether the substance is metal or non-metal. Gold, silver, aluminium, chromium and nickel, they are all lustrous metals. Clear? Diamond, it is a form of carbon, and iodine they are the exceptions. They all are non-metals. ओके कुछ एक्सेप्शन को छोड़ के हम लोग लस्टर के बेसिस पे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं वेदर द सब्सटेंस इज मेटल और नॉन मेटल. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हार्डनेस. मोस्ट मेटल्स लाइक आयरन, कॉपर, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर, दे आर हार्ड. अगर आप इनको टच करके देखते हो, इट इज वेरी हार्ड. दूसरा, सोनोरिटी का मतलब होता है कि जब आप इसे ऊपर से डालते हो तो ये आवाज करते हैं नहीं. एज यू सी, जैसे ही मैंने इसको किया तो इट मेक अ साउंड. So metal are hard and make a sound when hit. This property of metal to make sound when hit, it is called sonority. Okay. Bells are made from metals because they are sonorous, and non-metals, they are non-sonorous. Understood? Now if we are talking about density, so most metals have high density. Lead and iron have very high density. Aluminium on the other hand have a lesser density and it is used in making the bodies of aircraft. So aircraft की body बनाने के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Aluminium करते हैं. क्यों करते हैं? Because it have a lesser density. Sodium and potassium have very low densities and non-metals have low density. Understood? Now, as you study that metals have luster, make sound and high density and they are hard. Non-metals are non-luster, do not make sound and low density, or it is very soft. Iodine has shiny crystal and diamond is the hardest element. Okay, so diamond is the hardest element. So this is all about of this topic. Now we study about conductivity in metals and non-metals. Clear? So conductivity means कि they are conductors. They allow the heat to pass through it or they do not allow the heat to pass through it. Okay. So जो metals या non metals अपनी तरफ conductivity यानी कि conductor होते हैं जो electricity को अपने heat और electricity को pass करते हैं अपने अंदर से, it means they show conductivity. If not, they do not show conductivity. Okay. So First of all, we're talking about thermal conductivity, then we talk about electrical conductivity. So thermal conductivity, most metals like copper and iron and aluminium, they are good conductors of heat. आपने देखा होगा कॉपर वायर, ये जो कॉपर वायर है ये हमारे घरों में यूज होता है, ठीक है, as they allow the heat to pass through it. Cooking utensils, they are also made of metals due to their ability to conduct heat. क्योंकि ये conduct heat करते हैं, इसलिए आपके जो cooking utensils हैं वो metals के बने हुए होते हैं. Okay, and if you are talking about non-metals, they do not allow the electricity or heat to pass through it, so they do not show the property of conductivity. Understood? And if you are talking about electrical conductivity, all metals are good conductor of electricity. अगर आप आयरन की बात करते हो, कॉपर की बात करते हो, सिल्वर की बात करते हो, so silver it is the best conductor of electricity. लेकिन हम अब आप क्वेश्चन पूछोगे कि मैम अगर सिल्वर बेस्ट कंडक्टर है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का, तो हम उसे अपने घरों में वायरिंग में क्यों नहीं यूज करते हैं? इसलिए यूज नहीं करते बिकॉज सिल्वर इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, सो इट इज यूज्ड इन ज्वेलरीज. वो बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है, इट इज नॉट अफोर्डेबल टू एवरीवन. Okay, so electrical wires are made from metals, especially copper or aluminium. ठीक है, so non-metals do not conduct electricity with the exceptions of graphite. Graphite जो है, जो कि आपकी पेंसिल लीड में भी यूज हो रहा है, it is a form of carbon and it is the only non-metal that is good conductor of electricity. It is used in making electrical cells and batteries. Understood? Now the question arises that which other metals can be used to make electrical wires? So I told you that silver is also used in making electrical wires, but it is very expensive, so we are not using that. So students, this is all about your topic. Now we do our worksheet. So open your workbook and on page number 33, the first question is you have to state any two properties that you observed when you saw the following samples in the class. So as you see, iron nails means this is the iron thing. The property is it is very hard, it is shiny also. And sulfur powder, it is very soft and it have no luster. Clear? And in second question, you have to classify the following samples as metals and non-metals based on their properties. So gold, the property is shiny, sonorous, hard, very heavy, solid, so it is a metal. Phosphorus, it is dull, non-sonorous, soft, light, solid, so it is a non-metal. Oxygen, it is colorless, light gas, it is a non-metal. Lead, heavy, hard, solid, so it is a metal. And if you are talking about mercury, it is used in thermometer also. You study in your last topic. It is shiny, heavy liquid, so it is a metal. And in the last question of this worksheet, you have to give reasons for the following: that potassium is a metal but can be cut easily with a knife. So, unlike other metals, potassium is soft, so it can be cut with a knife. Potassium soft होता है, इसीलिए वो easily knife से cut हो जाता है. And diamond is a non-metal but it is used in making jewelry as it is very hard and shiny, so it is used in making jewelry. It is expensive also. ग्रेफाइट इज अ नॉन मेटल बट इज यूज्ड इन इलेक्ट्रिक सेल्स. ग्रेफाइट नॉन मेटल है लेकिन इलेक्ट्रिक सेल्स में यूज होता है एज ग्रेफाइट इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ओके, नाउ टर्न द पेज, वी डू अवर नेक्स्ट वर्कशीट. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वर्कशीट इज एल्यूमिनियम इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट व्हाइल कोल इज नॉट. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस स्टेटमेंट? सो एल्यूमिनियम अलाउज हीट टू पास थ्रू इट, लेकिन कोल नहीं करता हीट को अपने अंदर से पास. दैट्स व्हाई aluminium is a good conductor of heat but coal is not. Okay, and the next question, you have to draw a label diagram of the experiment set that would use to show that gold is a good conductor of electricity. So आप एक डायग्राम बनाओगे. सपोज इट इज अ गोल्ड थिंग, यहाँ पे बैटरी रखी हुई है आपने, दिस इज अ साइन ऑफ अ बैटरी. आप अटैच करोगे, एक सर्किट बनाओगे कि जैसे ही आप स्विच ऑन बैटरी ऑन करते हो तो क्या होता है, यहाँ पे लाइट बल्ब ऑन हो जाता है अगर गोल्ड कनेक्टेड है तो. इट मीन्स गोल्ड is a good conductor of electricity. It allow the heat and electricity to pass through it. Understood? And in the next question, would you classify gold as a metal or non-metal? Why? So gold is a metal as it conducts electricity. Understood? And the last question of this worksheet, you have to write that silver is the best conductor of electricity, but why is it not used for making electrical wires? So silver is very expensive. That's why it is not used to make electrical wires. So students, this is all about your topic. I hope you all are understand. Thank you and have a nice day.